Hello everyone. I'm going to try to show you how to do gyro aiming for Star Citizen. First you need to get a G7 Pro Xbox controller. This is the controller that does gyro aiming. I've been looking for a Xbox controller that can do gyro aiming, and this is the only one that does it. Now, in order for it to do gyro aiming, you have to download this program right here, which is the GameShare Nexus for G7 Pro Xbox. When you turn it on, by wiggling one of the controller input, you see this green thing show up, and then you have this box. Now you have all these different boxes here, vibrations, triggers, but the one we were looking for is motion. When you click on the motion box, you get this. So you get this box right here, and then it has different modes. You have aim right here. You see this aim, and it has tilt, and then it has axis output mode. And when you have it on this mode right here, that means it has full mouse mode that goes up and down around like that. When you press the trigger, I have it set to activate on the left trigger right here. And when you hold it, it does the mouse function, which is the output mouse function right here. See right here? The output mouse function. And I have set it for the left trigger. If you click it, you can set it to any button you want. But I set it for the left trigger because, when I put it in first person view and I have it on the left trigger, I want it to do that. But when I have it on regular view, I don't want it. I want it to be my right trigger, my right stick button right here. And this right here is the output mode right here, the curve. Anyway, this is how you set it up. If you click it again, it has just left and right tilt, and then when you do this, it has the yaw. So this is up and down. This is yaw like that. This is full tilt. So when you have it like that, and your input and output is like that, because I had set it to more horizontal than vertical. So we're gonna go into the game now. In order for, I guess you can use the Steam. You have to have it on a Steam setup for Steam to start your game. I never tried it without the Steam. Let's see if it will work without the Steam. Let's see. So you go. I'm looking for. The launcher right here, and let's see if it will launch it without the inputs. So I launched the Star Citizen game, and you see it's going through its easy mode, whatever, and then we have it. I don't have it on. You see, it jumps to virtual reality, which I don't have. I don't want to do it on virtual reality, so I'm gonna turn it off. Put in settings, disable VR, launch game. Now we're gonna just have it on regular flat screen. Sorry about that. So we're gonna go to flat screen 2D. See if it will move the mouse. See how my mouse is moving? I'm moving the mouse using my controller. And so when I go to Arena Commander, I go offline, free mode. I'll be going to any map. We're going to this map right here, and I press deploy. This is me on the ship. So I get off the ship, seat. I'm in the back thing now. I'm gonna put my gun out now. With the joystick, I'm moving the weapon. But when I hold the trigger to put into this type of mode, I'm moving my controller to move the aim as a mouse. You see, that's the only way I can do it. And I did it without using Steam, but so I went into the program and I'm using the mouse. I'm using the controller as a mouse. It only does that when I'm in aim mode to the sight. See, I have to use the stick, and you see I can't move the controller when I'm doing that. But when I put it on the aim sight, I'm using the controller to move for precise aiming. And that's how you do it for Star Citizen.